Now that we've added some decimals and reduced some decimals, some of our columns are really wide and some of our columns are really narrow. We can resize our columns in several different ways so that they fit exactly what's inside them. When I look over at column A at my expenses, I can see that telephone is cut off. Office supplies are cut off, liability insurance, those are all cut off. The first way of resizing your columns is to hold your cursor in between the column headers. So we see how you have an A here and a B here. If you hold your cursor right in between them, you get that double-headed arrow. That arrow allows me to click and drag and make something as wide or as narrow as I want it to be. So I could sit here and try and make it all fit. Or I can point at that line and double click. And when I do a click, click, it perfectly fits the cell width to the biggest thing that's inside the column. So I'll try that again in between column B and C, in between January and February. And sure enough, January shrinks right up. Now you don't have to do that in between every single column. You can do them all at once. Click on column A and with your button down, drag in one motion all the way over to column K so that all of your columns are highlighted. Again, I'm not clicking on row 1, I'm clicking on the column headers themselves and dragging across. Now point to any of the lines in between the column headers and double click, and it will best fit all of the columns all at one time. And you can see that my spreadsheet has just gotten a whole lot smaller.